Hi. In the earlier tutorial, we have created the basic file, basic theme for the WordPress from the HTML theme. In this tutorial, we are going to create some post and pages, which is required to make it to which is required for uh, make it our theme dynamics. Okay. To make our theme dynamics, for that you need to log in the admin panel. Okay, after the successfully logging in your admin panel, you need to click on dashboard, and if you are already in dashboard, then uh, you need to click on post. We are going to create some few posts and some few pages, so that we can fetch that post and pages from our theme. Okay, newly created themes. For that, click on add new, and we are going to create two posts. Okay, one post is for Java programming, and second post is PHP programming. Here is Java programming post. Okay, programming, and we are specifying, we are assigning that post under the categories. That category is programming. Okay, we are creating that programming. PROGRAM me. Okay, and add new categories. You just type demo content in the text area. This is Java programming programming content. Okay, and now to publish it, create new post, add new, PHP programming. Okay, specify content. This is PHP programming content. Okay, assign under the programming categories and publish it. So we have created two posts, and the post is Java programming and PHP programming. Now next is that we need to create few pages. Okay, to create page, you need to click on page sections, and page section, click on the add new. Okay, add new, and this is going to be our about us page. Okay, about us page, and this is about us. This is about us page. Okay, next is save these files, publish it, create one more files, add new, service, service. This is service page, service page. Okay, publish it, and one more page, that is contact us. Contact us, add new, contact us, contact us. This is contact us page. Okay, publish it. Now we have created few pages. That pages is about us, contact us, and service. Simple page is the default page. When you install WordPress, by default this page is created. So I am not going to use this file. You're not going to place. We are going to delete these files. So click on trash, and from the trash you can delete it permanently. Okay, so we have three files. We have three pages, that is about us, contact us, and service, and we have two posts. Okay, three posts. One is the default post, which is again when you install WordPress, this is the default post. So I am going to delete this post. Click on delete, and from the trash just delete permanently. Okay, so we have two posts: PHP programming and Java programming, and we have three pages, and we are going to create our menu. Okay, we are going to create our menu. Okay, menu depending on this page and post. Okay, means for example home, about us, then service, and training. Under the training post there is a option for Java programming, and then PHP programming, and last one is the contact us post. Contact us. To create the menu, one thing is you need to create, that is functions.php. You need to call some functions, WordPress function, for the to bring navigation menu. Okay, so in the folder, whatever we have done in the earlier tutorial, you find that there is a two file, mainly two file is there, that is index.php and index.php and style.css. You need to create one function.php where you need to place all the function which WordPress is going to execute when a theme is processed in the web browser. Okay, so I am going to create one file. Okay, and I'm going to place that functions.php file under the this theme folders. Okay, my theme, under the my theme. So I'm going to create that functions.php, new file save as functions.php, functions functions.php. Okay, save these files, and now we have three files: index.php, function.php, and style.css. Okay, now we need to place some code in this function.php for the menu. Okay, what is the code? That code is, and the code is this one. Okay, register my menu. I have created one function, that is register my menu. Okay, under the register my menu, we are calling we are creating two menus. Okay, one is primary menu and second one is extra menu. Okay, and in our theme, we have in our theme. Okay, in our theme we can see, you can see there is a mainly four theme. Okay, four menu is there. Okay, this one is the one menu sections, that is the primary menu. You can say it as a primary menu, your top menu, whatever you like. And in the footer section you find there is a three menu. Okay, this one is the one menu, second menu, and third menu. Means total menu in our theme is, number of menu is 4. Okay, and all the menu contains some menu items. These are the menu items, and this one is the sub menu items. Means this one is the one menu, this one is second menu, third menu, footer 1 menu, footer 2 menu, footer 3 menu, and this one is top menu. Okay, now we need to call register nav menu 4 times, because we need to create 4 menus. Okay, and just for that reason I'm just pasting it, paste 4 times, and this one is the primary menu, and primary menu it is okay. I make it footer 1, footer 1 dash menu, footer 1 menu, second one is footer 2 menu, second or third one is footer 3 menu. Okay, footer 2, footer 3, this one is footer. Okay, footer 1, footer 2, and this one is the footer 3, footer 3. And you need to register this function, register my menu with the add actions. Okay, you need, and the functions names, register my menu, save these files. Okay, in the admin section you find, if you have not created the function.php, you are not going to get that menu options. Okay, because we have just created that function.php, and we have placed our code in that function.php for the menu. Now you are going to get that menu sections once you refresh this page, and you just go in the appearance section, you find there is a menu sections. Okay, you need to click on menu sections, and to create menu, first you need to specify menu names. This is my main menus. Okay, main menus, and create this menus. Once you create that menu, all the sections on the left side is enabled. Okay, now it is time to bring our menu item in the under the main menus. Okay, we need to at first place home home menu items. Okay, for that we need to click on custom links and click on home, type home, and you can specify, you just copy this URL and you just paste in this, you just paste it, and add to menu, click on add to menu. Okay, now next is that page about us, service and contact us. Add to menu, about us, just make it proper in sequencing, about service and context us. And we need to place PHP programming and Java programming under the training sections. Okay, under the training menu items. For that, and the training menu item, there is a no and there is no pages and posted with trainings name. For that, we need to create on custom links. If there is no post or page with any specific content, then you need to just go in the custom link section and just click on create the menu from uh, that sections. Okay, okay, trainings, just place here hash means no links, and click on add to menu, and I'm going to place this training under after the service section and above the contact us page. Now I need to place that PHP programming and Java programming under the training sections. Okay, just select the checkbox and click on add to menus, and now under the training pages we have just placed we have just placed PHP programming and Java programming under the training sections. Save these files, save this menus. Okay, and go to the manage locations section and tab. In the under the manage location, you find there is a uh, theme location and assign menu. Two columns is there. And for the primary menus, for our theme, this one is indicating primary menus, and for this we are selecting main menu, which we have just created, and the save changes. In the next tutorials we are going to create all the rest of the menus. Okay, footer 1, footer 2, footer 3, and we are going to place that menu items, we are going to assign that. Okay, uh, okay, now next is that if you click go in if you click refresh your theme, you find there is no changes. Okay, you are not getting home and that about us, service, trainings, contact us page, menu. Okay, menu item under the primary menus. Why you are not getting? Because we have not placed, we have not placed, or we have not called the functions which we have just created under the function.php in the from the index.php. Okay, for that you need to just write some coding. Okay, you need to just write some coding to under uh, in index.php. Okay, you find there is a to there is a ul. Under the ul tag, all the menu items is there: home, style, demo, under the with the allies. Okay, just what you need to do, you just delete from ul to ul. Okay, just you delete ul from ul, and you find there is a one div. That div is the top nav, means above the ul, one div is there. Above the ul there is a one div. That div is top nav under the id. Okay, id with top nav. What you need to make menu dynamic, which we have you just created through the use in the admin panel. If you want to bring that menu in your theme, what you need to do, you need to just first delete that ul sections, and you need to call some a specific function. What is the functions? Okay, okay, you need to call one functions, and that function is this one. Okay, wp nav menus. Okay, this is the functions. Under the theme location, you will need to specify that primary menu, which you have just specified here in the function.php primary dash menus, and top nav because menu id under the which that ul is wrapped, that ul is placed under the this div id equal to top nav. Okay, just you delete that div because we have specified top nav with menu underscore id. Okay, just you save this files, save it. And now next is that save this file, and now next is that it is time to check, that menu is coming or not. Okay, it is there: home, about us, service, trainings. And the training we are getting php programming, java programming, and contact us. Okay, php programming, java programming, and contact us. So we are getting the menu dynamically. Okay, when we click on about us, we are going to get the same pages. Okay, because we have not created others files which is required to fetch, the content from the page sections, and which is required to fetch the content from the post sections. and for to fetch the content from the page and post, we need to create more some files. Okay, in the next tutorial we are going to create that files, and we need to write some coding for fetching. Okay, here we are discussing the navigation menu, how to bring navigation menu. Okay, now next is that we have created that primary menus. Now next thing is that we need to bring that footer 1 menu, footer 2 menu, and footer 3 menu. Okay, quickly I'm going to create that menus also in the themes menu sections. Click on menu and click on create new menus, and here you specify footer 1, footer footer 1 menu. Okay, okay, footer 1 menu. Okay, under the create the menus, and under that you specify that one, that contact us and service. I'm just specifying these two pages under the footer 1 menu, and save this menus, footer 1 menus. Now next is that create another menu, footer 2, footer 2 menu. Okay, footer 2 menu. Okay, create, and I'm placing contact us and about us, these two under the footer 2 menu, save menus. And now next is that footer 3, footer footer 3 menu. Okay, and click on create new menus, and under this footer 3 menus we are specifying assigning PHP programming and Java programming. Click on add two menus and save menu. Now it is time to assign that menu. Okay, and click on manage locations. Under the manage location you find there is a footer 1 menus, assign with footer 1 menus, footer 2 menus, assign with the footer 2 menus, and footer 3 menus, assign with the footer 3 menus, and save the changes. And now it is time to check. Now it is time to check this. Okay, it is not coming because we have not written the code. We have not written the code, and to write to bring the menu in our theme again we have to call these functions. Okay, just for that reason we have just copied this code, and we are going to paste. Okay, okay, here is the footer 1, this one is footer 2, and this one is the footer 3, I think. Okay, and we are we can conclude from this coding that this UL is not placed under the any div. Okay, which for the primary menu, that for the primary menu UL is placed under the top nav. Okay, and for that for that reason we have used the menu underscore id top nav. We have assigned top nav under the menu underscore id for that reason, because we have there is a no div. Okay, because UL is not placed within any div. Okay, for that reason we are just going to delete. We are going to just delete that menu ID. Okay, because it is not there, because UL is not placed under any div. Okay, for that I'm just tilting this one, and this one is the theme location footer 1, footer 1 menu. Oh, just footer dash menu, footer 1 dash menu, 1 dash menu. Okay, save it. Footer 1, footer 1. Okay, again copy it, again paste it, footer 2, footer 2, and this one is going to be footer 3, footer 3. Okay, save this file and footer 3, save this file. And now time to check that footer is working or not, footer menu is working or not. Okay, fine, it is working very fine. Footer 1, footer 2, footer 3. Okay, so we are very fine with our menus. We are getting a primary menu, that is home, about us, service, training. Under the training, PHP programming and Java programming, contact us. And under the footer sections, we are getting the three menus, that is footer 1 menu, footer 2 menu, and footer 3 menus. Okay, for now, in next tutorial we are going to discuss the how to fetch the content, how to fetch the content, about us content, and service content, service page content, and training. Under the training, we have placed PHP programming post and Java programming post. In the next tutorial, you are going to learn that how to fetch the content for specific menus. Okay, thank you for your time.